Look, everyone's excited about AI agents, and I get it. Agents can do things, not just talk. But here's the hidden risk nobody puts on the slide. It's not, is the model smart? It's, who gave the AI decision power? Because once an agent can decide and execute, you've created scale. Scale for speed and scale for mistakes. Let's keep this simple. There are two different worlds. World 1, AI suggests, a human decides. World 2, AI decides, and then it acts. Tool calling, browser use, code agents, anything that can click buttons, run scripts, send emails, or change infrastructure. That's decision power. And when you combine decision power with automation, small errors don't stay small. Here's a real example. Recently, an attacker used a prompt injection to exploit an open-source coding agent setup and spread something called OpenClaw across machines. And the point isn't the meme name. The point is this. If an agent reads untrusted text, a web page, a repo, an issue thread, that text can contain hidden instructions. So the agent thinks it's completing a normal task, but it's actually being steered. That's not a model problem, that's a control problem. Now let's talk about the corporate version of this. There were reports of an AWS outage where an AI coding agent made a destructive change, and the company described it as a permission and process issue. This is the pattern I want you to notice. AI systems don't kind of have power. They either can execute or they can't. And the difference between a safe demo and a real incident is often one permission. Now, why do these failures happen so often? Because agents are not just reasoning, they're doing tool calls. And in production, tools are where the damage happens. One common failure mode, the agent guesses parameters. It invents the tool arguments that feel right, and it doesn't crash, it just confidently proceeds. So if your agent can send emails, issue refunds, change configs, run scripts, or provision cloud resources, then wrong tool arguments become business impact. So here's the strategic framework I want you to use. Think in 4 levels. Level 1, suggest. AI recommends, human decides. Level 2, draft and confirm. AI prepares the action, human clicks approve. This is the best default for most companies. Level 3, execute with limits. AI can act but inside strict boundaries. Spending limits, safe mode tools, rollback paths, and approvals for anything high risk. Level 4, fully autonomous. AI decides and executes broadly. This should be rare and only after you've proven safety and monitoring. This is also how a lot of agent builders recommend thinking. Rate tools by risk and require checks or escalation for high-risk actions. If you're a manager, consultant, or founder, here's what to do this week. List your top 10 workflows. Mark which steps are write access. Anything that changes data, sends messages, or moves money. Default those to Level 2, draft and confirm. If you ever allow Level 3 execution, add guardrails, tool allow lists, spending and time limits, human approval for risky actions, logging every tool call, and anomaly monitoring. Because the hidden risk isn't AI is wrong, it's that AI is wrong at scale. So no, the competitive edge in 2026 won't be the smartest model. It'll be the company that understands decision power and controls it. If this helped you think more clearly, subscribe to Agentic Wave. This is strategic AI for professionals.